Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our September BoxyCharm. I'm pretty sure this is a premium box, but we'll wait and see when we open it, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below. So if you would like to try it out for yourself, all the information will be right there. So when we open it up, okay, I am incorrect. This is a Luxe box. This is the month of September, and it is the Luxe box, okay? So let's just check it out and see what came in this month. So when we open it, the first thing that we get is our description card, and it says right here on the bottom that this is the Fall Luxe Box 2022. Okay, so let's just see what's inside. I'm excited to see because it's been a long time, so I don't even remember what my choices were. The first item that we have is by McGrath Labs, and it looks like this right here, and it says this is the Idols eyeshadow, and it says the cult classic creme de la creme of mother's iconic shadows, now starring solo and seduction singles in a tantalizing array of textures and hues. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $25, and it says this is brand new to Boxy. Now when I check it out, it says it does have a 12-month shelf life. Well, of course, the packaging is very nice. This is what the inside packaging looks like, and the shade that I have is called Sextrovert. Okay, and how about we wait till the end to swatch this? I usually try not to swatch items until the end so we don't get them all over the place. So we will come back to that one, okay? Then the next item that we have is by Ole Henriksen, and it's this one right here, and it says this is the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and it says this lightweight gel moisturizer packed with 3 forms of vitamin C and rows of winter extract instantly brightens and delivers 24-hour hydration. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34. This one is a 1.2 fluid ounce size, and let's see, it has a 12-month shelf life, and I believe that says it is a clean product. Okay, so when we open it up, oh, the packaging is beautiful. Here we go, right here. And with a 12-month shelf life, let's just check it out. It says, apply evenly to face and neck, AM and PM. Gently massage in an upward circular motion. Okay, let's see here. Well, usually vitamin C creams have that citrusy smell to it. So let's just take it off the top and see. It is full. You know, lately packaging, you've been spending more and getting less, but that's not the case here. So let's just rub it in and see. Feels nice. Absorbs quickly. Definitely here for this. It kind of has a creamsicle smell. That's what it is. That's the kind of scent that it has, okay? Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, then let's see what our next item is. Byron Clean Skincare, and this is the Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. Okay, and it says nature's stand against sensitivity. This fast-acting white mushroom powdered serum is clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes, while soothing signs of sensitivity in 7 days, including dryness, itching, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, or burning sensations. This new Velvet Touch Serum is proven to strengthen skin's moisture barrier and help protect from pollution. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $60. And this one is a 1.02 fluid ounce size. And this is a vegan product. It has a 9-month shelf life, so I don't think we'll be opening this one until we're ready to use it. But it does say products that respect your skin and our planet. Okay, let's see what the inside packaging looks like, even though we're not going to open it yet. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay, the inside looks like the outside. Okay, how about that? All right, so let's keep it going. The next item that I have is by the company Make. And it's this one right here. And this is a serum balm, a hydrating lip treatment. It says this serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules, extract from pomegranate flowers, along with liquefied jojoba wax. Interesting. This lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $26, and this is brand new to BoxyCharm. Okay. It says to use apply to lips as needed throughout the day. And this is a 0.13 ounce size. And, oh, the shade I have is called Pink Charisse. All right, so let's check it out. Let's see what kind of shelf life it has, which I'm not seeing as of yet. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. Okay, and this is what, y'all know I have a challenge when it's mirrored products. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. Okay, and you have a little window there that lets you know the shade. So let's see. Very, very pink. Oh. It's flavored, just not sure what that flavor is. Okay, well, I do not see an expiration date, but it's like a tinted gloss, but it looks really nice. Didn't know my lipstick was that colorful. All right, so moving right along. The next item that we have is by Beauty Bio, and it's this one right here. And this says it's the Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. It says stay in place cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red eye flights. Okay, this one has a manufacturer suggested retail price of $28, and this one is also brand new to Boxy. All right, and it says 97% felt under eye puffiness was instantly reduced. This is a before and after shot. Can you see that okay? All right, and it says it brightens dark circles, and it has colloidal silver, pearl, collagen, and aloe. Let's see what kind of shelf life this one has. It's not giving me one right now. There's a Vogue note here. This one says, a favorite in the Vogue office, Beauty Bio's collagen-infused gel masks made with illuminating pearl and colloidal silver fake the appearance of a full night's rest, even if life is running at a breakneck pace. All right, well, let's take a look at them and see. Okay, it says there are 8 depuffing and brightening eye gels in this package. And each one comes in a package inside. And each one comes in a package like this. Okay. It says, apply to clean, dry skin and allow ingredients to soak into the delicate under eye area for at least 10 minutes. May also be used on nose to mouth lines. Discard after each use. Okay, now it does show you the 3 ways that you can use it. How about that? That's pretty good. All right. Still no expiration date, but I guess once you open the box, they expect you to keep going until this box is empty. So let's find out what the next item is. That one would be by Queen Studios, and this is the Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. This says, indulge your inner bad, that word I don't say. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable, long-lasting wear. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. And this one is a vegan product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. The shades that I have are SOS and Spray Tan. Okay, this one is SOS. We're going to go ahead and swatch. We're at the end, so we can start swatching items. Oh, not bad. I do like this one. And Spray Tan would be the one next to it. All right, I'm going to show it to you. Tell me which one you think it is, and I'll let you know if you're right. Okay, so here we go. The one on the top is Spray Tan, and the one on the bottom is SOS. How about that? Okay, that Spray Tan is very close to my skin tone, I might add. Okay, and the shades do appear on the bottom of each pencil. Okay, now we have just a couple more items left. The next one is one of my favorites, and it's the Spongel Honey Blossom Soap Buffer. And it says the beloved honey blossom fragrance adorned in a charming gift box marries warm honey with blooming lavender for a heavenly bathing experience. The iconic fluffy bath sponge and body polishing exfoliator coalescence with our silky honey for a signature favorite among sponge gel enthusiasts. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. And it says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. This is dermatologist tested, and it is a body wash and buffer all in one. And this is a 3-ounce size, and you probably could get about, I would say, maybe 15 to 20 showers with this. It smells really nice. Okay, then we have one item left. And then we're going to swatch. Well, guess what? This is an item that needs to be swatched as well. So this is the item right here. And this is the Zendoa eyeshadow palette. It says a warm and cool toned palette inspired by an ambiance where nature meets minimalist architecture, a mix of elements that conveys peacefulness and tranquility. It features 15 iconic NATASHA DENONA pressed pigment eyeshadows, including a range of brown and beige to pink and coral shades, complemented with teal, mint, and green hues. A perfect balance and color combination to create warm and cool every day to bold and expressive looks. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $69. Okay, this one has a 24-month shelf life, and it's NATASHA DENONA, so we don't expect anything other than the best. Oh, here we go. It's another one of the mirror finishes. So here we go, right here. And let's open it up and see what the palette itself looks like. Oh, beautiful shades. Okay, let's cover the mirror. It does have a full-size mirror inside, but look at that. Look at those amazing hues. Okay, how about we do this? Let's swatch. Okay, so I swatched a few. From the top to the bottom is Flow, that's this one right here. Then Luster, this one here. And Mindful is this one right here. Now, why did I only swatch 3? Because we still have a McGrath Labs eyeshadow to swatch, okay? This is what the inside of that one looks like. This shade is called Sextrovert, and it's this one right here on the wrist. How's that? Okay, well, let me tell you, this was pretty amazing. But this is what we get in our Luxe boxes anyway. Love it all. It's a very nice mixture of skincare. We have bath and body. We have lip care products. I'm very satisfied with this one. This is a very nice Luxe box. Don't expect anything different. Don't expect anything different. But let me tell you something. This NATASHA DENONA palette, oh yes, it came to show off. Yes, it did. That is exactly what it did. It came to show off. So tell me your thoughts. What do you think of the September Luxe box? All right. So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Luxe box for the month of September. And these are the items that were enclosed. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.